about to go pick up some stuff I need, some supplies from steel, and driving right by this place right here, Prairie Land Partners. They're only a couple of miles away from my house, but the guy that does all their steel stuff there, he's kind of an arrogant person, and he doesn't want my business. Like, he's rude to me every time I go in there. When I go in there, I know more about the product than he does, so I really don't feel any need to spend my money there. I will drive completely out of my way and go another 10 miles so that I can get some friendly service, people that really want to help out at Fairview Service. Nice local shop, takes care of their customers. That's how you keep your customers. You take care of them, you appreciate them. Got a really gorgeous sycamore tree here, and I just wanted to show this to you guys so you could appreciate it as much as I do. Obviously, I don't know if you can tell, but by me standing here, it's pretty large, and it's quite a grand tree. Really nice. Something I'd love to have at my house. Looks like sunshine and rainbows, but obviously you can see that steam coming out. It's quite chilly this morning. We're starting off the morning in the mid-30s, so that's kind of cool for this time of year. But we'll get going and we'll go find out what we're doing for today. First thing we have to do this morning is we have to do an injection on a sycamore tree. It's got anthracnose, so we're gonna get that done, and then right around the corner we've got a maple tree to prune back from a house, so let's get going. Alright guys, we're getting set up here on the maple tree, and as you can see, it's back there, and it's got some branches that go off over the neighbor's there that is over a shed. He doesn't really want that. And then we've got all of this up here that goes way out over the house. He wants all that stuff pulled back so that we can bring it more to the edge of the house, and we'll work on getting it back somewhere into here. And then on the far side, it's got a couple branches that reach way out over a shed. We're gonna pull that stuff back too. So well, I broke down today. Haven't had a soda for well over 2 weeks, and this morning I had to get a Dr. Pepper. Sad thing is, after 2 weeks without soda, it really doesn't even taste that great. Give it a little bit, see what it does. Okay, hang tight there. Yeah, go ahead, go easy. Alright, that'll work. Let the butt out some. Oh, did it go on top of that? Is it, hey, is it wedged up right in there?
I don't think it's wedged. I think it's just sitting.
Okay. Yeah, let that down. Or is it not wanting to? Alright, now you can slowly start letting off the other one. You should be good.
Okay. I'm gonna pull this butt down a little bit more, get the slack out.
Well, it's pretty much balanced is the problem. Like, there's no tension on that.
Oh, okay.
Alright, go easy because it's about to clear some limbs on the tip and it may change its balance point a bit.
Yeah, I've got the butt tied off too.
All I'm saying is it might get a little tip heavy. So just go easy. You're good, just keep her going easy. Alright, you're coming down past. Just about to be clear. You're just tickling the ends. You're pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna pull cranks off.
Okay. And that's pretty well clear right there. All right, beautiful. I just don't want to have too much drop and swing and catch the corner of that gutter.
Alright, good.
Yep. All right, that's lifted enough. That's not going to catch the gutter anymore. You're good to.
Finish cutting it.
Yep. It's just this piece on the top right here that's still wanting to hang. I should be able to snag it from up here, I think. Are you situated?
Yeah, both those are tied off again.
Okay. That should pretty well have it. You may be able to just jiggle it a bit. You still got the crank on there or no? Just go ahead and crank it just a little bit more and it should go ahead and hop off there. And there it is, beautiful. Kept it right above the gutter, just like we wanted. All right, you're good. Tree's about done. Pretty much got to take the rest of that little chunk there and chase hardware out of the tree and we're good. All right, guys, we got everything pruned back away from the roof. And as you can tell, we took quite a bit out, but it's still okay. We didn't take so much out that it's all ugly and lion's tailed and a problem like some people like to do. So there it is. And lucky for us, it was a drop and leave job, so we don't have to worry about that stuff. All right, guys, got a mess of a tree here this morning. As you can see there, it is quite rotten to the point where it was actually trying to produce roots up in the fork just because the conditions were right for it. You can see at one point somebody tried to put a bolt through there to hold it together, but obviously that did not hold it, and it ended up falling on the house over there. That part's been cleared off by the homeowner, but now we got to take care of this other side of it right here, which is out over that tree. So I'm gonna take this down and make it safe. It's gonna pop off and get pretty windy today, so we're gonna try to hustle and get this down before the high winds start coming up. Let's get going.